What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove bookmarks in Google Chrome. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Right, so once you're in Google Chrome guys, the easiest way how to bookmark a website is by simply going to that website. So if I head over, let's say, to youtube.com for example, and I would like to bookmark youtube.com so that I can easily find it, then if you look to the upper right hand side of this address bar here, you will see the star. This signifies bookmark this page. You click on that and you can add this bookmark. So if I bookmark it, you will see that I can click done. Where is this gonna save, right? This is gonna simply save into my bookmarks folder. Now, so how do you find this bookmark? You simply need to click on the tree that's on the upper right hand side, then go down to bookmarks and lists, or bookmarks and lists, then click on bookmark manager here, right? This will take you into your bookmarks, right? Now, if you look, I have some folders here, which I'll be showing you a bit later. But in order to find that bookmark that I just did, I would need to go ahead and search for this bookmark somewhere here, and as you can see, it is showing under the platform section of YouTube. So here is the bookmark that I just did, and as you can see, it is now showing YouTube. So in order to find that bookmark, I would have to come here and find it, right? So how do you better organize your bookmark? I'm going to go ahead and show you as well how to delete. So if you want to delete a bookmark, you can simply go ahead and click the three dots towards a bookmark and click on delete, right? Now, as you can see here, I have on the bookmark bar, I have a bunch of different folders, yeah? And this is how I would say it is best place for you to organize your bookmarks so you can easily find those on your bookmark taskbar here. So as you can see, I have my bookmark bar here, and these are showing my folders. I can click on my folders and I can find those different bookmarks as well. So in order to add a folder bookmark, all you have to do is a simple go open the bookmark manager as we are here, and you can easily go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you can add a new bookmark folder. You can also add bookmarks as well. So if you click add bookmarks, you will have the window here, and you can name the bookmark and you can save it. But to create a bookmark folder, just simply go ahead and click the three dots here and click and add new folder, or you can right click on the space here and you will see new folder as well as new bookmark. So let's create a YouTube one like we're doing right now from the YouTube channel, from the YouTube website. So go ahead and click new folder here, and let's call this one YouTube, right? We'll call it YouTube. Then click on save, and as you can see, I now have this YouTube folder here under the bookmark bar. So, and it will now show up on the bookmark bar, right? So if you now want to add a website within this folder, it's very easy. You can head over back to YouTube and you can click bookmark again. If you're inside of YouTube and you would like to do it, then you would no longer would click done. You can simply click edit, and it will give you more options, and you can select where you want to have it stored. So from here, I can either select the YouTube or whichever folder I want, or I can even select all bookmarks. But to organize it, we want to add it into the folder. So select that YouTube folder that we created and then click on done, right? So the next time when you go back, let's close this. So the next time when you will go back to open any window and you want to go to YouTube, you have your YouTube folder here. You can click on it, and within that folder you have YouTube. So you can easily go ahead and go to youtube.com, right? So if you want to remove the folder as well, you can easily go ahead and go back to the bookmark manager by simply click the three dots. Then you want to go down to bookmark and list, and you can simply go to bookmark manager here, or under the bottom you have those folders that you created. So you can easily click on bookmark manager and you have those folders that you created under the bookmarks bar that you can easily click on. And once you click on that, or let's say double click on it, it will open up that folder. You can see that the folder is expanded and you can find those bookmarks there. You can click on them and you can delete the current bookmark within that folder, or if you click on bookmark bar, you can even delete the folder for those bookmarks as well in one go and delete that particular folder. Right, so this is how you can easily go ahead and create and organize your bookmarks within Google Chrome. Now, the next thing is that if you're not able to find this bookmark bar available inside your Google Chrome, how you can get it, right? So if you click the three dots again and you go back to bookmarks and lists, you have the option that says hide bookmark bar or it will say show bookmark bar. So if I click on hide, you realize it's now disappeared and I'm not able to see it. So in your case, you might not be able to see the bookmark bar and you're wondering, okay, you're showing me how to do this tutorial, how to add it, but I'm not seeing the bookmark bar. So in order to get the bookmark bar, if you're seeing it like this, is click the three dots, go down to the bookmark bar, bookmarks and list, and you will see show bookmark bar. So you can easily go ahead and click show bookmark bar. And you also show all bookmarks. You don't have to do that if you organize your bookmarks very nicely, but you can easily click show bookmark bar and you will have them like this. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.